If you want to buy data and you dial the normal code, which is *312#, this is how much they will show you to get 1 GB of data. With 500 naira, you can get 1 GB of data. But there are hidden codes that MTN does not disclose. With this code, you can be able to get 1 GB of data with 150 and below 150. In this video, I'm going to share with you 11 of this code that can use to get super cheap data from MTN. So if you're an MTN user and you have been looking for a way on how to get data at the very cheap rate, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end to be able to know all of this code that can use to get super cheap data from MTN. And this code will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. So let's dive into the video. The first code to get this at the very cheap rate from MTN is *312*65*2#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB weekly data bundle. So with 200 naira, I can get 1 GB of data. This will be valid for 7 days. So this is a very good option to get cheap data from MTN. The number 2 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *121*6*1#. So let's dial it and see what this code can give to us. We have 3 options with this code. The first option with 100 naira can get 500 MB, which means with 200 naira can get 1 GB of data. The second option with 1000 naira can get 4.5 GB of data. Then the last option with 1500 can get 7 GB of data. So I'm going to be subscribing with one of them, which is the first one. That is with 100 naira I can get 500 MB. So I'm going to subscribe with it to show you that this code actually works. So I'm going to dial number 1 to subscribe with the first option. I'm going to dial 1 to accept. Activation of 500 MB smart daily bundle at 100 naira was successful and we expired. So you can see now with just 100 naira I was able to get 500 MB, which means with 200 I can get 1 GB of data. So this is one of the codes that I mostly use to get cheap data from MTN. The number 3 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312*87#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 15 naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus 250 MB 14 days plan. With 15 I can get 450 MB, and this will be valid for 14 days, that is 2 weeks. So this is another good option to get weekly data plan from MTN. The number 4 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312*65*3#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 1000 naira for the purchase of 4 GB monthly data bundle. So with 1000 I can get 4 GB of data. This will be valid for 1 month. So this is another good option to get monthly data plan from MTN. The number 5 code to get this at the very cheap price from MTN is *312*88#. *312*88#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB plus 500 MB monthly plan. So with 200 naira I can get 1.5 GB of data, and this data will be valid for 1 month. So this is another good option to get cheap monthly data plan from MTN. If you have gotten value so far, please do me a favor, like this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. And if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If you're interested, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So let's continue with the video. The number 6 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312*3*4#. So let's dial it and see what this code can give to us. This code is for TikTok data subscription. So if you want to do a data subscription that can use to log into your TikTok, you can use this code. We have 2 options. The first option with 15 naira can get 150 MB to be valid for 1 day. The second option with 400 naira I can get 2 GB data, it will be valid for 7 days. So I mostly go for the second option, which is 400 naira for 2 GB of data. The number 7 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312 *65 *4 #. So let's delete and see what this code can give to us. You'll be charged 500 naira for the purchase of 2 GB bi-weekly data bundle. So with 500 naira, I can get 2 GB of data, and this will be valid for 2 weeks. So this is another good option to get cheap data from MTN. The number 8 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *406 *3 #. *406 *3 #. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. This code is mostly for night browsing. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this code to do your data subscription. For you to make use of this code, you must migrate to MTN Pulse, and you can make use of this plan from 11 p.m. in the night to 6 a.m. in the morning, and you can do up to 2 GB of data. With 75 naira, you can get 500 MB, which means with 150 you can get 1 GB of data. So this is another good option to get cheap data that you can use for your night browsing from MTN. Before we continue, most of the plans that mostly work in this code that I'm sharing in this video, it must be on MTN Pulse or MTN Beta plan. These are the plans that I've used and they are working in this code. If you try and it does not work for you, make sure that you use an old line that you always recharge and always do data with. Then give it some time, then they will start giving you this offer. The number 9 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *121 #. So that's *121 #. Then that number 4, which is smart data. So we have 4 options that's available. We have the daily data offer, the 7-day data offer, the 14-day data offer, and the 30 days data offer, depending on the one you want to go for. So anyone you want to go for, you have to dial the code for that one. So if you are going for a daily data offer, dial number 1. So you're going to see the different options that are available for daily data option. If you want to go for the 7-day data option, you dial number 2. So these are the options that are available for the 7-day data offer. For the 14-day data offer, you dial number 3. This is the option that's available for the 14 days data offer. For the 30 days data offer, you dial number 4. These are the options that are available for the 30 days data option. So you can use any of these options to do your weekly, daily, or monthly data subscription from MTN. The number 10 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *344 #. That's *344 #. Then that number 7, which is buffet bundle. So this plan is for hourly data subscription that I can use to browse on YouTube. And we have 2 options. We have the 12 hours plan and the 4 hours plan. For the 12 hours plan, you dial number 1 to access it. For the 12 hours plan, you're going to pay 600 naira to get access to do any activity on YouTube for 12 hours. For the 4 hours plan, you dial number 2. For the 4 hours plan, you're going to pay just 250 naira to get access to 4 hours subscription that can use to log into your YouTube and do any activities. The number 11 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312 *1 #. So that's *312 *1 #. Then that number 7, which is broadband bundle. So this is mostly for people that use broadband to do their data subscription. You can use this code to get cheap data from MTN. Once you bring it to this interface, if you have not linked your broadband before, then you dial number 1 to link it. Then if you want to recharge, you dial number 2. If you want to check your balance, you dial number 3. If you want to view and unlink your device, you dial number 4. So this is how to recharge your broadband bundle on MTN. So there you have it. These are the 11 codes that can use to get super cheap data from MTN, and this code will help to save you cost in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification. So that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. And if you want to get access to other videos to get cheap data from other networks like Glo, Airtel and Mumbai, you can watch the video like showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I'll see you in my next video.